Hi, I'm JM. I'm here to teach to you how to create a price level list in QuickBooks. First thing to do is open the QuickBooks software, then choose List, and then click the price level list. QuickBooks display the price level list window. Click the price level button and choose New on the price level menu. QuickBooks shows you the new price level window. Type a name for your price level in the price level name box. For example, 3-day sale. Make sure that the name is descriptive enough for you to understand what the price level will do. Select the items to which you will want to apply the price level by clicking them. For example is Pepsi Mountain Dew, Pepsi 227 ml. If it's the general price level that we use for all products, click the Mark All box in the bottom of the menu. For example, Mark All. In the Adjust Price of marked items to be boxes, indicate the standard price increase or decrease that this price level will put into effect. For example is 10. And then click Adjust. You will see the changes in the cost of the standard to custom price. And then click OK. Using a price level and then close. To use a price level, you create an invoice in the usual way. Create invoices and then click the arrow down so you will see the customer. For example is Jinkel. However, click the price each column for the item that you want to reprice by using the price level QuickBooks. Turn the price each column into drop-down list. For example, the quantity is 10 and the item code is Tanduay Ice. And then in the price each, you will see a 3-day sale. And then click the 3-day sale and then save and close. The price level is recorded in the QuickBooks. QuickBooks also lets you to set a default price level for a customer. When such a default price level is set, QuickBooks automatically uses the appropriate price level when you choose that customer. The price level box appears on the additional info tabs of the New Customer and Edit Customer window.